attention.
We go back.
Oh, the crows. Even the ornery crows on a branch above me were rolling in laughter at the sight of me dangling there over the water. Now this caught the attention of Mama Duck. She rushed over quickly to see what all the fuss was about. Then she saw me hanging there about to be eaten by a fish. She's got those little ducklings, how they go with their little butts. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
She sure gets.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Okay.
Your turn, Cecilia.
Mama Duck swam over to me and said, "Hurry, Zeke, fall on my back. You are sticky and will stick to my feathers." I closed my eyes tightly and let go with my tail. Mama Duck then paddled me safely to shore.
Cute. What a great job.
This artwork is just
Oh, isn't
stunning.
it beautiful?
Incredible, yeah.
The leaves.
Okay.
Oh.
Trying to catch my breath and thanking Mama Duck at the same time, I was so tired and was now in a place I'd never been before. So I figured I'd best stay here for the night. In the morning, I'd think of a plan on how to get home. I was sleeping on a little rock.
Yeah. Rock pillow.
It's got a little frond on it.